Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the app causing wallpaper ads. This is faster than guessing. Open Settings and go to Apps, then sort by installed or recently opened. Look for wallpaper, theme, or unknown launchers. Once you spot a suspect, tap it to view permissions and storage. Uninstall if possible. Make sure to check Device Admin and Special Access because some ad apps register there and block removal. If uninstall succeeds, reboot. If not, continue to the next step for deeper removal. Once you've identified the culprit, force stop and disable it, then clear cache and data to remove temporary ad payloads. If the app won't uninstall, reboot into safe mode to isolate the problem. Safe mode prevents third-party apps from running, so if ads disappear, a third-party app is the cause. Then run Play Protect or a trusted antivirus app to scan for adware. Make sure to also check browser shortcuts and home screen widgets that can load ads. Remove any suspicious items you find. Finish by removing any remaining adware and reinstalling only trusted launchers or wallpaper apps from the Play Store. If multiple attempts fail, reset app preferences, and if ads still appear, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Backup photos and contacts first. Once clean, update Android and apps and avoid sideloaded themes. If something goes wrong, tip, boot to safe mode, uninstall recently added apps one by one, and then factory reset only after confirming ad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.